Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to manage my child's YouTube account. Here are the steps to manage your child's YouTube account on Android using Google Family Link. Unlock your mobile phone and connect it to a stable internet connection. Open the Google Play Store from your home screen or app drawer. In the search bar, type Google Family Link and tap Search. Tap Install beside the app, then wait for it to finish downloading. Once installed, tap Open to launch Google Family Link for parents. Make sure to sign in with your Google account by tapping Continue, the parent account. Then tap Add Child. Tap Yes if a child has email account already. Tap Done and follow the instructions to link your child's account. On your child's device, download Family Link for children and teens from the Play Store. Open it on their phone and sign in with your child's Google account. Follow the prompts to connect both accounts. Approve on your phone when prompted by tapping Continue. Then go to the Settings app, tap on Google, go to All Services, scroll to find Kids and Family, then tap Parental Controls, tap Let's Do This, tap Service Account, then tap Next, enter your email, the parent's email, enter the password, and tap Next. Provide the password of the child's email password and tap Next. Tap Next and tap Allow. Tap Next and tap Done. Once connected, open Family Link on your phone and select your child's profile. Tap Controls, YouTube, then toggle on YouTube Restricted Mode to manage YouTube access. Tip: you can also use Family Link to set screen time limits, approve app installs, and view activity reports to help your child have a safe and balanced online experience. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.